Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, in this video I am going to talk about latest fees structure for MA in Development Studies. Many students, many viewers of my YouTube channel actually had asked me, sir, please make a video about latest revised fee structure for MA in Development Studies in IITs. Yes guys, in this video I am going to give you the all the details related to related fees about MA in Development Studies. So please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends because this video will help you a lot. So I'm going to talk about latest revised fee structure of the IITs like IIT Guwahati, IIT Mandi, IIT Hyderabad. These IITs are like are offering MA in Development Studies program. Okay, so guys, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends because this information is very crucial and relevant information. Sometimes now we have seen that many talented students are there in our country, but sometimes they actually they are not capable to pursue their program due to lack of money. Okay, so guys, I think this information will help them to get clear idea about the latest fee structure. Latest means 2021 revised fee structure for MA in Development Studies program. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. Okay, so this is the home page. Okay, but now I will tell you, look this. So fees details of new students of MSc and MA programs joining in 2021. So I'll talk about this. Okay, so you will see in IIT Guwahati there are several component of like fee structure. Fee structure of IIT Guwahati has several components like A, B, C and D. So you have to add all these total fees. Okay, so look, one time fees at the time of admission and that is non-refundable. So it is about 6,550 rupees, and one time deposit at the time of admission, it is refundable. It is 9,600 rupees payable at every semester. Every semester you have to pay this 33,000 every semester you have to pay. Okay, and D, medical fee. So total मिला के कितना हुआ? You have to add all these A, B and C. Okay, so look, this fees grand total सब मिला के कितना हुआ? For general, EWS general, OBC category, for hosteler candidates, look, for hosteler candidates you have to pay 51,000. Okay, and for grand total for SC, ST, PWD reserve category candidates, for regular hosteler candidates you have to pay 48,000. Okay, 48,000. Okay, so this is the total fees of IIT Guwahati for MA in Development Studies. And look, so every semester you will not pay this amount 48 or 51,000. Every semester you have to pay 33,000 just for the first semester. Just for the first semester you have to pay this amount 51,250 rupees for general and 48,250 rupees for ST, OBC, ST, SC, PWD category candidate. Okay, and one more interesting thing I want to share with that, this is the latest revised fee structure of IIT Guwahati for MA in Development Studies program. Okay, so you can scroll down. This is the fees. I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. And look, one thing I want to show you, just give me 1 minute. Look, it was previous revised fee structure. Okay, look, development studies fee structure was revised for 2021, and it was going on this fee structure till 2020. But in this year they revised this fee structure. Look, total fees था उस टाइम में 22,870 rupees. So 32,870 rupees you have you had to pay for that time, 2007 to 2020. So it was grand total for general OBC category candidate, and for grand total for OBC, sorry, ST, SC, PWD candidate, it was 29,870 rupees. Okay, but in this year they added some extra fees. You can see this clearly. They have added some extra fees. That's why you have to pay these fees. Okay, 51,000. So just give me 1 second. This 51,000. Okay, so 51,000 you have to pay this. Okay, this fees 51,000, and the refundable fees is this. So 9,600 rupees you will get after your program, degree program. Okay, and each and every semester you have to pay this amount, 33,000 for general category candidate you have to pay. Okay, so I think you are getting the idea, latest revised fee structure for MA in Development Studies. Now I will tell you about the total fee structure of IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so give me 1 minute. Just I want to show you something. I'm going to show you something. Look, so you have to pay for MA in Development Studies. Look, PG students, for it is for PG students. Fee structure for PG student. You can see this. Give me 1 second. Okay, PG student. It is also the latest revise January June for 2022. Okay, so 21 is going on. Okay, this fee structure, so it will continue. Okay, look here, you will also see different components of the total fees. Just I will tell you the total fees. Look, this you can read this sentence. Total semester fee for MTech, MDes, MSc and MA regular program. MA regular program means it is talking about MA in Development Studies, and for that you have to pay 60,000 rupees, 60,000 rupees, 60,800 rupees. Okay, 60,800 rupees for general candidates, and for SC, ST, OB, SC, ST, PWD candidate you have to pay 54,800. And you can see this column is talking about SC, ST, PH, and this column is talking about general EWS OBC category. Okay, so you have to pay these fees. And listen, one thing that is very important, for sponsored candidate you have to pay this amount, this. Okay, sponsored candidate. So I think this information will give you the complete idea, clear cut idea. Okay, it will give you the clear cut idea. So I think these are the most latest revised updated information about the fees of MA in Development Studies. And you can see this tuition fee, so you have to pay this. So when you will add total kitna hua, you can see this here. Okay, you can see this, you can see this. Just give me 1 second. Total fees, So you are getting the latest revised updated fee structure for MA in development studies. I think this information will help you a lot. Now I'll talk about fee structure of IIT Mandi for MA in development studies. Okay, I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also, na? So just give me 1 second. Look, so it is revised updated fee structure up to 2021 and it is going on. Okay, so for it was like MA in development studies, this you can see this fee structure, not this you can see this latest updated fee structure. This is the latest updated fee structure. Okay, so total you have to pay hostel fees milake. Okay, you will stay there, you will stay in the hostel of IIT campus. Okay, so for that na you have to pay 33,000. Okay, 33,000. And look, for odd semester and for even semester, so within a year you will pay two types of fees. So for the first semester you have to pay 33,000 and for the second semester you will pay 22,000. So more or less we can say the fees at IIT Guwahati is comparatively less than IIT Guwahati and IIT Hyderabad. I think this IIT also will update their fee structure for 2022 admission session. Okay, I think this IIT also will update their fee structure. So I think this information will help you a lot, and I think Chetna, this information will help you a lot. Okay, so thank you for your question, and for you I am making this video. Okay, I have never made this type of video, a complete video about fee structure, but this video I think will help many students of the country. Okay, so guys, all the best, and tata, bye bye. Okay, Jai Hind.